How to lose the stubborn belly fat without losing your glutes. Yes, this is very, very much possible. You don't have to wait until you've lost all the overall weight that you're looking like a broomstick before you now start building your glutes. No, you can actually lose the body fat from your stubborn problem areas while maintaining or even building your curves at the same time. This is what I call body recompositioning. So this was me initially. This was how I looked with the fat in all the wrong places, in the problem areas. Yeah, I had embarked on a bulk. I was stress eating at a point, so I gained a whole lot of weight. I wanted to lose the weight. At the same time, I wanted to still maintain my glutes. So that was when I first learned about the concept of body recompositioning. This was my after result. After I learned how body recomp works and implemented it, you can see the back fat gone, the stubborn belly fat gone, glutes still very much intact. And I've also gone ahead to help other ladies achieve this kind of transformation. I'm an online fitness coach who specializes in helping busy women achieve this same kind of result. So you are definitely in the right place. So do well to stick around to the very end if you really, really desire to see change before the end of the year. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, there are 3 frameworks to achieve body recomp. The first I'll be exposing you to is your mind. Before you can achieve body recomp, you have to first work on your mindset. Now, a lot of you don't even believe that it's possible for you to actually lose fat while maintaining your glutes. You're like, oh, I don't think it will work for me. No. I want you to get rid of that thought. Be open-minded. Many ladies that have achieved results like this, they don't have 2 heads. They don't have any superpower. You too, you can also do it. Now, before we go into the 2 framework, which is where the bulk of the meat is, okay, I want to first identify who is body recompositioning for, because a body recomp journey is actually not for everyone, to be honest. Body recomp is for you if you're an average sized woman. You're not so much on the very, very big side, like you don't have a ton of weight that you need to lose. You're just an average sized woman that has fat in some problem areas like your stomach, your back, your arm. Body recomp is for you. So for my ladies that you fall under the bigger side, you have much more body fat percentage to lose, it's best you embark on a weight loss journey. A weight loss journey is different from a body recomp journey. Now, body recomp is also for you if you've lost a ton of weight, but you have some problem areas that you would like to tone up while maintaining your curves. You know, at this point, you're like, you don't want to lose so much weight. You just want to lose the fat from some of your problem areas, but still maintain your curves. Yes, body recomp is for you. Body recomp is also for you if you have some time in your hands to work out, either home or gym workout. So there are some people that, you know, you don't have privilege of time to work out, to have even a 30-minute session. Your schedule is choked up. It's best you just go for a weight loss program. Then after, when you have time in your hands, you can now focus on building muscle or growing your glutes separately. So if you know that you can give out at least 30-45 minutes a day to do a workout session, body recomp is for you, because it will require you following a structured workout routine. The second body recomp framework is fueling with purpose, which is your nutrition. For body recomposition, you don't just eat on like a random calorie deficit or follow crash diets where you're eating like 1 meal a day, you're eating so little. No. If not, you just lose overall weight. You lose weight everywhere. For body recompositioning, you have to eat on a slight calorie deficit. If you want to lose fat while maintaining your curves, you eat on a slight calorie deficit. We're looking at about 1,500, 600 to 1,800 thereabout, depending on where you are at. For ladies that are more slimmer in size, but you still have some problem areas, it's best you increase your calories a bit more, like 1,800 to 2,000 self, to even your maintenance calorie. Okay, but for those that you have a bit more weight, but you're still average size, but you have a bit more weight, we can start out with 1,500 to 1,600. Okay, for my ladies in my program, we usually start out with 1,500 for like the first 4 weeks before we now increase it to 1,800 calories, because now they've gotten used to the workout, so they are now more consistent with their workout, so they can like increase the calorie intake so that they can be able to build lean muscle mass while burning body fat. You have to fuel your body with purpose. You have to actually be intentional about having your breakfast, lunch, having dinner. Food is well portioned out. So having a balanced plate, following the right portioning methods to achieve being on a slight calorie deficit, because you need the right food nutritional content to maintain your curves. For you to maintain your curves, you are going to be building lean muscle mass, and you need to make sure you're prioritizing your protein intake. You're at least having a palm size serving of protein with all your meals. Now, for some of you, this may sound like a whole lot. Oh, I have to eat enough protein. This is that. No, don't worry. It's not that complicated. With the right body recall meal plan structure, you can actually enjoy eating your everyday Nigerian meals and still be able to lose fat while maintaining your curves. This is the meal plan which my clients have access to, so it helps them stay on track. My clients, they've been able to get massive results from following this meal plan. Now, this meal plan is currently at a 30% discount. Now, we have something new and special that comes with the meal plan for those that would like to get it. You're not just getting a meal plan and I'm leaving you to just follow it on your own. You also get a full 7 days accountability to make sure that you follow through the meal plan consistently. You know exactly what to eat each and every day. And for the full 7 days, you get a food audit every day to make sure that you are actually eating the right portion you ought to be eating. So for the next 48 hours, this body recomp meal plan is going for a 30% discount. For more details on how to get the meal plan, simply check the description box below to get the meal plan. Simply DM me, coach, I would like to get the meal plan, and I will send you the link to get it, and you join the 7 days accountability group. So you can do this when you're done watching this video. The third framework is to exercise with structure. For body recompositioning, you cannot be following any random workouts that you see on this internet streets. Today you wake up, you do skipping, tomorrow you do jumping jacks, next workout trend that is out there, you save, you do. No. So this is how you're going to structure your workout. I'm guessing you are a busy lady. For the week, we schedule it for 3 to 4 times a week. So on Monday we have glutes day. So before you start out the glute workout, you're going to do cardio. You do like 10 minutes skipping, 10 minutes walk, depending on the time that you have, before we now go into the glute workout. So if you're doing home workouts, you can use bottles filled with sand, buckets filled with water. If you have a gym membership, great, you lift your weight in the gym. Then on Wednesday we do upper body. You work on your bat wings, you work on your armpit fat, your back, right, for a toned back. On Thursday you can give a little break. Then on Friday you do your next workout session. So on Friday you can do another glute workout, right? Because we want to be prioritizing glute workout, because the main aim is to maintain your curves while losing body fat. Then on Saturday you can now do full body HIIT workout session. HIIT is high intensity interval training. So these like fasted cardio, they are very, very effective. Or you can do full body strength training on that Saturday, where you're working your upper body, your lower body, your abs, right? Because you also want to work on your core. You want to make sure that you have a strong core, because that will help your overall workout performance. Then on Sunday, rest day, you rest. You can do a full body stretch on Sundays. So for my clients, on Sundays I just put for that day a full body stretch, so that you can give yourself some time to recover. That's it for body recomp. You're going to follow this consistently for about 8 to 12 weeks before you start seeing visible results. For body recomp, you have to be patient with the process. You have to trust the process and you have to be patient. The result will definitely be visible. So if you desire to lose fat while maintaining your curves, this is the approach you should take. Now, I know that it is one thing to gain information, it is another thing to implement. A lot of us struggle with the implementation and staying consistent. That is why I am here. And so currently, registration for our body recomp program is actually open, and we just have 3 slots left for ladies that you really desire to see change before the end of 2025. Is for 8 weeks. 8 weeks full intensive program. All right, there are 2 offers. The first is the full 8 weeks body recomp coaching program. The second is for those that would like to get access to the body recomp meal plan only. The meal plan also comes with the 7 days accountability. So if you want that, all the details are in the description box below. You can do well to check it out. My dear, I'm rooting for you and I hope to see you achieve the results that you really desire before the end of 2025. For those that are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Chisom. I'm a biochemist. I'm an online fitness trainer. I help ladies all over the world achieve their fitness results. Literally, I help women turn their fitness excuses to success. Okay, so you are highly welcome to the community. Feel at home. We are very glad to have you here. If you enjoy what you see on this channel, do well to hit subscribe button and hit the like button on this video, and I'll see you in my next video.